In this video, I'll be showing you how you add SmartArt on your Microsoft Word document. It's going to help you represent information very much well visually. Yeah, you can add processes, circles, and the rest, hierarchies and the rest. So to do that, you hop on the place you want to add that SmartArt. And now you come to the section insect here, and you should see it here, this here. Depends on the version of Word you're using, but there's the logo. Tap on that to have the options here. So just like I said, there's a list. This for a process, this for a cycle, this for hierarchy. Depends on what you want to use. So let's try to choose any of them and try to edit it as well. Let's choose a process. I don't like any of them here. Let's choose a cycle. And I think I'll go with this. And now you choose the one you want from these sections and you tap on OK. It appears here. So now you can choose to edit it. So anytime you select anything on Word, you see Word allows you to design it. So you see SmartArt design. So you can change the colors. Change colors from this section. I think this is okay. 3 different colors, right? And we can change how it's appearing, the style. See, I think this is okay. And we can also change the best, something like this. Make it something like this. And now to edit it, you see the text there, double tap it, and let's add something there, food. And let's add something here, water as well. And let's add my name here, Mike. And that's it. So to edit it, you just tap on the SmartArt like this. Good. And you see the SmartArt design pops up. Tap on that. At the tabs there, you can do anything. And we have other options here that are the same. Yeah. So this time when you select it, it's going to, yeah. So it's simple and easy. Let me come back. I think I selected something different. So this is my old. Good. So you just tap on it and you try to add every edit. Yeah, the text and all that. Double tap to do that. You can move it to as well and make it small and big. You put your cursor here, you make it bigger, you make it smaller. Yeah, I think I've talked about everything. Yeah, and if you want to reset every changes you've done, you just tap on this here to reset it back. Let me revert the action and we keep it. And now let's try to make it bigger a bit. So that's it on how you add a SmartArt, you edit it and all that on Microsoft Word. If you're new here, just give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Peace.